Hello, welcome to Regulatory Affairs 101. I am Nancy. Today's video covers the EMA Variations Regulation, your guide to managing post-authorization changes under Regulation EC NO 1234/2008. Once a medicine is authorized, the journey does not end. Changes, whether administrative, manufacturing, or clinical, are part of its life cycle. The EMA's variation framework ensures these updates are managed consistently, protecting product quality, patient safety, and regulatory compliance. Let's look at how these changes are grouped. Variations fall into three main categories. Minor changes, Type 1A, 1A-IN, and 1B are low impact and often procedural. Major changes, Type 2, can affect safety, efficacy, or quality. And extension applications introduce new strengths, forms, or routes, treated as initial marketing authorizations. Let's start with Type 1A variations. These are do and tell. They are simple, low-risk changes. They have minimum or no impact on the product. You implement the change first, then notify the authorities within 12 months. Some updates, like adding a new test method, are routine. Others, like removing a non-significant specification parameter, require documentation but not delay. Type 1A-IN is similar but faster. Still, minimum impact, but notification must happen within 14 days of implementation. Think of administrative updates. A change in the MAH's name or address, or switching the manufacturer or importer of the finished product. Type 1B variations are tell and wait. Type 1B changes have moderate impact. You must submit before implementation and wait for 30 days review. Examples include shelf life changes or minor manufacturing updates. Type 2 variations are significant. They affect product quality, safety, or efficacy. Submit before implementation and expect a 60 to 90-day review. Examples include major process change, new indication, or a new API supplier. Extension applications involve new strengths, forms, or routes under the same MAH. These are treated as initial marketing authorizations, defined in Annex 1. Examples include new active substance, change in strength, pharmaceutical form, or route of administration. Here's a summary table of the variation classifications. Variation classification depends on impact level and regulatory precedent. EMA provides tools to help sponsors determine the correct type. Last week, EMA announced new variations guidelines update to streamline life cycle management of medicines, which will be in effect January 15, 2026. These guidelines align with updated variations regulation, replace 2013 framework to reflect scientific and technological advances, apply to human and veterinary medicines across European Union. Key enhancements include mandatory ECTD, EAF submissions, grouping and supergrouping, work sharing across products, and annual bundling of Type 1A changes. EMA will publish updated and new procedural guidance by the end of this year. EMA now supports two tools: PACMP, Post-Approval Change Management Protocol, and PLCM, Product Lifecycle Management Document. These promote proactive compliance and lifecycle transparency. For more details, consult EMA's procedural advice, the variations Q&A, and the EUR LEX guideline. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Have a wonderful day.